Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
You have to accept each other wholeheartedly. And whatever shortcomings there would be, allow each other to grow from there. Nurture each other in love.
In the open air, we close our eyes and breathe in slowly. Knew we'd get here from the start. Finding magic in the days and nights as they're unfolding. Writing stories.
JM, yesterday, walking down the aisle was just a dream. Today, it has become a reality. And I thank God it's you. Thank you for being one supportive partner. From the littlest to the biggest and to the weirdest of my goals. Kahit minsan hindi mo na naiintindihan kasi ang dami kong gustong gawin sa buhay. I am grateful that there is one constant person who keeps on believing in me, even in those times that I no longer believe in myself.
All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
MC, unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Thank you for keeping the faith. And from this moment, my vow is I will do anything in my capacity for you not to feel that you settle for less. I love you.
In the steady breeze, we feel the rush of expectation. Empty pages we
Thank you for your love, for your patience, not only for me, but for the people around me. Pag nagtatravel ako, hindi ko kailangang mag-worry. Kasi pupuntahan mo si Papa para mapanatag ako. For doing so many errands for me, hindi ka napapagod. Sa lahat ng hatid sundo, pag-reach out sa mga kaibigan ko, sa pamilya ko, hindi ka napapagod. Rayam, it's always the little things. The little things that you untiringly do and consistently do for me. And now, I vow to love you in all the seasons of life. Sunny days, rainy days, kasama ng lahat ng mga hay nako moments natin. I love you today, tomorrow, and I will still choose to love you in all the days that will follow.
It's all